Hello everyone, welcome to my sewing room. I hope you're all really well and have managed to get some sewing done this week. I have been in a funny mood this week because I've been so busy at work. I haven't been able to concentrate on making any garments. So what I have done is I've concentrated on finishing up some of the other things that I had already started. So the first thing I started working on was the curtain for my bathroom. Now my husband retired earlier in the year and he decided out of the blue that he was going to paint the downstairs toilet, which was fabulous because it needed a bit of a refresh. And he came back with some paint. I normally go with him, but he came back with some paint, some beautiful teal coloured paint, and it was quite dark. And when I saw it first of all, I thought, oh, I don't know whether that's going to work or not, but I thought, crack on, let him get on with it. So he painted the bathroom, and it did actually look really nice because what he also did is he re-grouted all of the tiles, because the tile grouting was originally all white. So basically the bottom half of the bathroom tiled all in white tiles, and he has tiled with grey grouting, so it really makes the tiles pop. And with this dark teal paintwork on the top half of the bathroom, it doesn't look too in your face because you've got all that whiteness of the tile. So what I did was I bought some fabric to break up that solid teal that's in the top half of the bathroom, and it looks really nice. So what I've done is I've just put in a little video so you can have a look at the bathroom. So let me know what you think. I like it. I was quite surprised at first because when he did come home with the paint originally, I did wonder whether I would or not, but yeah, he's done a blinder and it looks absolutely lovely. So that's another job ticked off his long list of things to do. So the second thing I made this week was the Funky Friends Factory Memory Bear. So this all came about because I had a client who knew that I sewed, and she had this bag of shirts from her dad. Her dad had passed away a number of years ago, and she had these beautiful shirts, and she was reluctant to let go of them. She didn't want to give them to charity, and she decided that she wanted something made from them. So she knew that I sewed, so she said to me, would I make something from them? It was totally up to me what I wanted to make. So I set about making her a lunar lapping rabbit. So I made her one and I showed her, and she got quite tearful when I showed it because it was beautiful, and it had a little miniature shirt on with waistcoat and trousers made from some of the fabric that she provided. So this all started months and months of making up rabbits. So altogether I made her 7 of these rabbits, all made up in all the different shirt fabrics, in the miniature shirts, waistcoats, trousers, and they all were different and beautiful. And she's got 2 sisters and some grandchildren that wanted these rabbits. So after I'd finished making the last rabbit, I said to her, you know, I've still got some fabric left. Are you happy for me to dispose of it? So she came back and said, no, don't get rid of it just yet. One of my sister's grandchildren has asked whether I would make a memory bear. So hence this. So one of the grandchildren has sent a photo asking whether I could make this up. And I thought, no problem at all, anything's a challenge, and he looks so cute. So there's me thinking, even though it says 12 inches on the front of the booklet, I envisaged in my head that it would probably be about this size. And when I think back, I think, Kim, that's not 12 inches, that's 12 centimetres. So 12 inches is really big. So when I made up this bear, he was huge, and I did struggle a bit to find some spare fabric left over from his shirt. So here he is. He's adorable, actually. He is stuffed. I had a kilo of toy stuff in, and though I didn't use all of it, I did use a fair amount of it. So he has consumed a lot of toy stuff in, and I haven't packed him solid. I just wanted to still keep him quite squidgy and cuddly, but I have incorporated as many of the shirt fabrics as I could. So he has basically got everything that she provided. And I did have these toy eyes which I put in, and though they already have safety backs on them, I glued them in as well, so they're glued as well, so they're not going anywhere. So he's just lovely. I must admit, every time you pick him up, you do want to keep squeezing him because he is so soft. So he is going off to his new home tomorrow, so my client is very happy to have him before Christmas. So he's going to go to his new home, and he will, I'm sure, be loved to death. So that's my little memory bear. Well, not mine really. So say goodbye. Bye. Oh God, right. I need a break. I've been working too much. So the third thing I made, as you know, especially those of you that subscribe, I knit in the evening. So this is my knitting season from autumn through to spring. So I've just made up another pair of vanilla socks. I bought this crazy coloured yarn from the knitting and stitching show. I think it was back in September actually. So I can't remember the brand name, but the yarn name is called Shepherd's Delight, and they are absolutely beautiful, the colours in them. So these will go in the wash, and these will be worn straight away. I like to wear my socks literally every day, all the way from autumn through to spring. So my socks do get used and worn quite a lot. So that's my lovely pair of socks. Because I have been so busy at work, and because I finished all the projects that I originally cut out back in September, I have been doing that thing that I tried to avoid doing. And the reason why I did the huge batch cutting session was overthinking what am I going to make next. So I've been looking at patterns and fabrics and just going around in the same circle. So I've decided I did want to make something for Christmas, but I am quickly running out of time because tomorrow is Friday. So when you see this video, it will already be Friday, and Christmas is the Wednesday. So I have literally days and I'm still working. So I don't think now I'm going to get anything made up before Christmas. This is the first year in many years where I'm not working between Christmas and New Year. So I have quite a bit of time off, which I'm really excited about, because it means apart from eating all the chocolate and biscuits and food, I'm really looking forward to, because I do like food way too much. I know I'm going to have so much more time to sew, and I am very excited about that, at least. So I hope you've enjoyed the content of this video, and if you have, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, then it would be lovely if you could. And for everybody who is still watching, have a fabulous Christmas, and if you don't celebrate Christmas, then just still have a fabulous time, and I will see you all very soon. Take care. Bye.